everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Kenny. If you're new to my channel, please click the subscribe button. I would love to have you be a part of my viewing family. If you're already subscribed, thank you so much for tuning in again. Today I'm going to share with you a dark chocolate brown sugar cookie recipe that I think you will really enjoy. All of the measurements and ingredients will be in the description box. So let's just get right into what you're going to need. You're going to need some flour, all-purpose, cornstarch, salt, and baking soda. You're going to need some butter, some brown sugar, some cocoa powder, dark cocoa powder, and an egg and vanilla extract. So let's just get right into making this cookie. So first I'm going to cream together the butter and the brown sugar. Now you want to make sure your butter is at room temperature, and you want to cream this together until it is a light pale color. You just want to do it for about a couple of minutes, but you'll see that the color will change to a light pale color, and it'll be a little on the fluffy side, and that is what you are looking for. So I've added the egg and vanilla extract, and I'm going to mix that for 2 minutes. Now I'm going to add half of the dry ingredients. I find it easier to add them in 2 parts just because the dough does get pretty stiff as you mix it. And it would be a little hard to do it all at one time. Plus I could have used a bigger bowl, so that would have been a complete mess if I added it all at one time. So I'm going to do it in 2 parts and scrape the bowl down in between and continue mixing until it all comes together. Now I'm going to cover it with plastic wrap and refrigerate it for 1 hour. Baking it chilled will help the cookies keep a nice shape while baking. So I'm using this tablespoon cookie scoop, which I really like because it makes it easy to scoop them out, and it also ensures that they're going to be the same size. So I just pack it in just a little here, and I put it on a silk pack lined cookie sheet. You can also use parchment paper, and you want to leave about a couple of inches in between each cookie. Now I'm spraying a glass with non-stick cooking spray, and I'm going to use that and flatten out each cookie slightly. Once I'm done doing that, I'm going to bake them in a 350-degree oven for 8 to 9 minutes, and they will turn from being shiny to looking more matte, and that's how you'll know that they're done. You don't want to overcook them because they will firm up more as they cool. So I'm going to get these into the oven, and I will show you how they look when they're done. So here are the cookies all done. They remind me of an Oreo cookie somewhat with that deep chocolate color. So I'm going to let them cool for 2 minutes on the cookie sheet and then transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. This is how the cookies look on the inside, very decadent and also like a very fluffy texture. They were very good. I will say that the chocolate flavor got even more prominent over time, so the next day they were even more delicious. So if you decide to make them, please let me know in the comments how you like them. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy cooking.